Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is Moon Mission, our new channel on YouTube, and as the name states, the goal of the channel is to introduce people, especially new users, to crypto, and learn about meme coin trading, and how to use different tools to help to identify scams and rug pulls, and also how to trade the coins you like, and finally, some good practices you can do to avoid your wallet being hacked. So we will start by talking about which wallet you can use. Personally, for me, I recommend the Rabbi wallet. It's available as an extension and as a desktop app, as you can see here in their website. There is also many other extensions you can use, like MetaMask. It is the most popular extension, crypto wallet. And there is also Trust Wallet. It is available as a mobile app and extension. Rabbi Wallet is available on EVM-supported networks like Ethereum, Base, Avalanche, Optimism, Arbitrum, etc. For Solana users, in my opinion, the best Solana wallet is Phantom. It is this one. So, after I presented to you the crypto wallets you can use, now it's time to talk about DEX Screener. So what is DEX Screener? It's simply a platform where you can find data about tokens. And what's special about these coins is that most of them are not yet listed on Tier 1 exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken, and here you can identify hidden gems that can do 10x to 100x. But it's not that easy. You have to do your own research and do a deep analysis of the token to avoid being scammed, because in crypto it's so easy to be scammed. So here we will simply open the chart for the first coin that's popped for us. It's called Swarm. Its market cap is 4 million liquidity, as you see. You can check their X account, their website. They have launched on Pump Fun. As you see, the coin has already pumped. It did a quick 10x. That's good. There are also a lot of recent buy and sell orders. As you can see here, and there are about 4,000 holders. It means that there is some volume in this token. But what I want to tell you is that it's very likely that the token swarm, especially if there are wallets, holding a big portion of the supply. Okay, so there is this cluster here, 1.3%. That's good. But there is something suspicious you probably didn't notice. There are multiple wallets here holding almost the same amount of supply between 1 and 2%. This usually means that the owner of all these wallets is an insider or is the same person. I don't recommend buying a token where there is a large supply controlled by insiders or the same individual. Let's go back here. Here you can filter by liquidity, market cap, pair age, volume, and on the left, the tokens are classified by chain or network. For example, this is Solana, Ethereum, Base, one of my favorite layer 2s. Okay, so let's go back. Now let's check filters, the filters I recommend to use. As I said before, I don't recommend buying very new coins because almost 99% of meme coins pump hard at launch. Then they do a strong pullback, 90% minus, 80%, etc., etc. Let's show you an example on the daily chart. Look at the beginning, how it did. Here it did more than 12x, then it dumped hard more than 80% down. So I don't recommend buying here, but we can wait for this zone. This is the best zone to buy, especially if the token starts gaining some more attention pumps harder, as it can go back to its old all-time high and maybe, why not, go beyond it. But as you know, meme coins are driven by community and attention, especially community. Community is so important for me. The filters I use, for example, pair age. I try to avoid recent coins. That old coins, for example, they have a minimum age of 2,000 hours, at least some weeks of activity and volume. We can see here, as I told you, all meme coins without exception, they pump hard in the beginning. Look, 30x here. Then it did a strong pullback of 86%, but then it entered long accumulation zone. This is where you should buy. This is the zone where you should buy, not here. So, for example, if we want to check that Retardio is not a scam, what would we do? Liquidity is burned. Almost more than 80% is burned. So that's good. There are also some other tools where we can check, like bubble maps, rug check, or token sniffer. Now let's do an analysis for Retardio. There is the treasury here. I think these are the dev wallets, but he's not holding a very large amount of supply, There is the treasury because Retardio has a collection of NFTs. There is someone holding 3% of the wallet. Usually the recommended maximum holdings of one wallet is 5% or 4%. So when someone is holding, for example, 10% of total supply, this is considered very dangerous. And there can be some market manipulation. We paste here the token address check, okay. It tells us that the risk analysis is good. Also verify top holders. As you see here, the top holders are holding only 9%. So there is a low risk of market manipulation here. The liquidity pool is locked, 82% of it is locked. That's good. They also have a very active community on X. They are planning to open some kind of casino and are very active on X. Next, I will explain how to use Phantom Wallet. Let's try to buy a Memecoin using Phantom Wallet. First of all, we create our wallet. You can restore your wallet if you have one. Please note that the seed phrase, the 12 or 24 words you use to create the wallet, are very secret words that you really don't want to share with another person. It's like a password to your wallet if you share it with the its. It's like a password to your wallet. If you share it with another person, he will have full access to your wallet and can do anything he wants with your wallet. He can even transfer your own funds to his wallet and steal your wallet. So you really don't have to share it with other people. First, we have to fund the wallet with some Solana. SOL is used as the gas fee for the Solana blockchain. So every transaction you do on the Solana blockchain, you will pay some gas fees for the transaction. Okay, we funded our wallet with $5 of Solana. Just to explain to you how we do buy the tokens. There are multiple DEXs, decentralized exchanges like Jupiter. There are also Orca and Radium. I usually use Jupiter because it's faster. I connect my wallet here, Phantom. Connect. Okay. Here it shows you the list of verified tokens. There are Mishi, GigaChad, Sigma, Mumu, so we'll buy a little of Popcat. It's one of the best Solana Memecoins out there. Then click on Swap and we sign and confirm the transaction. It's processing right now. Transaction confirmed. We check the wallet here. We bought Popcat, so it's good. Suppose you made some profit and want to sell. Swap from Popcat to SOL and confirm transaction. Okay, confirmed. Finally, I hope you enjoyed this video. I tried to explain to you as much as possible how to trade meme coins, how to buy meme coins, and how to identify scams and rug pulls. It's the same concept on Solana, Ethereum, or Base Network. It's the same steps. It's just the blockchain that changes. I would like to thank you a lot for your attention, and I really appreciate it. If you like the content, please leave a like or subscribe, and if you have feedback on the video, negative or positive feedback, leave it in a comment. Goodbye. We meet until the next video.